Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. Me people, let me tell you something. You see more time when a man or a woman left and gone a foreign, and sometimes them decide to them no want nobody a foreign fi deal with. Them rather go back to Jamaica go choose somebody to start a life with. You see the parents them? Enough of the parents them love put a hand in a them pitney relationship. And this one cause an innocent little young girl our life, me people. First and foremost, before we jump into the story, me just want to say everybody, thanks for the love and the support. And people, continue to send on the stories them to J Progress Entertainment email address. And then, when you see the number up on the screen, thanks to everybody for sending the story them and ting. Big up on yourself. Alright. So my people, you have this young man here who him father take him America, file for him figure America. And him go America and him over there, him do well, him go in the army, him do him thing, him do him time in the army, him come out, him have a good job in the IT sector and make him money. This youth ya don't have no kids. And this youth ya say him rather get back a girl out of film culture from Jamaica. Him never have in mind for nobody indefinite to say. But it turns out now that him and a girl when him used to go to school with from long time. Cause when this a boy from him there high school, him daddy file for him and bring him to America. So him get most of him schooling in America, go in the army, do some time in the army, come out and did it, and you don't know him no get no youth, him no do nothing or anything, and him say no, him want back a girl from yard. So on Facebook, him and this girl start talk now. But it so happened that him and the girl were talk as good friend. Right? The girl in our church, nice little church girl. The girl work at hotel and I do well. The girl work at front desk at hotel. And you know, me no know, front desk people always look nice and spangling and nice and fix up themselves. Right? The girl I do alright. But where the girl come from, at Deso, the youth mother come from. Cause the youth know the girl as well from them time there. But him probably surprised now to how the girl look. And the girl no have no pitney neither. The girl in our church, the girl at work at hotel, the girl not no pitney. Nice, quiet, comfortable girl. The youth talk with this girl. Him mother no know nothing, him no tell him mother nothing or whatsoever, what's it not. Because him know how him mother turn. Them go on. Him did it. Him start help out the girl. Him send him little change for the girl and this and that. Him help the girl until the girl buy one little car. By this time on, now the youth no come to Jamaica come check the girl yet. Right? Them go on. Right? So till the youth decide now say him a come to Jamaica come check the girl. Cause them dep on a level now. And him send money come give the girl pan regular. Cause him in a comfortable alright job in America. Right, the girl good, nice type of girl, and the girl I say yes, him, and this and that. And you know, sometimes you have some Christian girl and you know the foolishness. So really and truly, the girl say, yo, are you in and she no want nobody else, him. And the girl say, I wait for him to get married and ray before kids and anything. And the girl I say, yo, no kids and them thing that till married and ray fine. The youth decide say, I come down here now. And the youth come down, him and the girl link up everything. So by this now, him couldn't hide it from the mother no more. Him tell the mother say, yo, him and the girl attack on a level. But him tell the mother, him not tell the mother like say, dead serious them kind of way they were married, they go involved and pitney go involved. Him just tell the mother like say, yo, I'm me and her. And the mother just think it's a little fling. The youth come down and go so boom and gone back America now. Them do them thing. Him and the girl, the mother and the girl alright, cause the mother know the girl already and thing. But the know where the mother know the girl is know the girl on a level say, yo, me know her because we in the same community and rate and nothing. And my son a ray with her. Nothing too serious. Alright. The youth did it. Till the youth decide say him a come back to Jamaica again. This time when the youth come back to Jamaica now, the youth booking a hotel, him and the girl. And yes, so now the mother realize, say, no man, well on man, things look serious here so. Kind of come a yard contan, a hotel in Ghana, a hotel with such and such data. Yes, so now the mother realize, say, this here look serious. So after the youth go so boom, 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 the youth spend some time at hotel with the girl, then the youth spend couple days with the mother, and this and that and that. The mother asks him about the girl, how serious it is, ray, and thing. The youth say, see where it can go, and ray. Him just give the mother a little surface a wagwan, but the youth madly in love with this girl, because him realize he's a nice girl. Christian type of girl, and a run up and down type of girl, nothing. Because even the mother tell him, say, she's very quiet. That's all. The mother tell him that she's a very quiet girl. So, you know what, sometimes to silent river run deep, so quiet no mean nothing. But sometimes when a mother look at you and tell you, say, a girl quiet, your mother basically tell you, say, yeah man, she alright man, me no know if she run up and down with nobody. Me no hear her name a call upon nobody. Fine. That are the youth second trip. The mother get a better idea, but the mother start put 2 and 2 together now. But when him got the hotel go steal the girl, the mother never did so please. Because the mother start realize they'll say it's serious, but the mother, in the mother sense, because you know some parents stay already, the mother more want the youth there with somebody different. The mother want the youth carrying a girl when nobody don't know one them thing. They make it look like say rare. The mother preferably want the youth have all a woman from foreign come down with and sitting. But the youth now no pitney. This girl now no pitney. Anyway, them have them time, them spend them have a good time. The girl go around the mother and everything, and the girl go around the mother too and everything. Cause them familiar with them one another. But them probably not no close friend or nothing like that. But now them start talk more now and get a little bit because the youth, they connect with the youth. The youth go back again. This time now the youth gone back. The youth in a bus. The youth in love. The youth say, yes, sir, this a girl here. And him decide now, say, boy, him a go marry that girl here, you know. And file for that girl here, you know, and carry the girl, cause the way the girl treat him when he come to Jamaica and everything, you know. And he can assist you one good girl and this a girl and no run down certain thing. And more time, all when him send the money, him have to just push out the money and send the girl now beg him nothing. Even the car where the girl have, him encourage the girl to buy the car and send the money because sometimes the girl with the taxi thing and the ray and thing and the late movement sometime. So him even instigate that. Third trip now to Jamaica. This time, the youth say, I'm married him, I come married him, and the girl discuss everything and ray. The girl say she want a big wedding in a church and ray. The man say, boy, him now can't do that right now. Because him, first of all, him not have the time and this take planning and thing. And right now, they can always renew the vow differently. And the girl say, okay. The girl saying we go with it. People, buy this, you know. To all this reach me, you know. The girl is a type of girl where I tell the man, say, yo, him nah have no sex before marriage. You think it easy for a man comply with something like that. But because the youth look for something solid, the youth figure out and realize that girl is one real girl, him nah bust him brain. And from him mother go say, yeah man, she quiet man and rate it, and he realize that the mother not to have nothing against her. That a way he think. Yes, when the youth come down, and the youth have the ring and tell him mother say, mommy, me I go do one little something with such and such, you know. The mother entire world change. The mother entire world change because here and then now the mother realize that this is no joker poker thing. The youth come down to do a little private wedding quick and fast with the girl. Poor little mother never know say when the youth they down there the second time and then they are hotel. Them already when I arrange up certain thing. Register up this and register up that up and down. I try pre the wedding thing already because him and the girl already dep on a level and the mother don't really know it so deep. When the man come down with the ring and tell the mother say, boy, Ray, and the mother whole universe change. All of a sudden the mother start asking him, oh, him know who him a go married to. Or him know said this, or him know said that. But still the mother can't say nothing about the girl like him used to do with Tom, Dick, or Harry, you know. The mother only say, oh, you know what kind of family you are getting, you this, that. Then you have something where you have to think about good. You just know her over internet. Look how long you left Jamaica. Baiting. Mother all tell him, say, look how much woman they are foreign. When you tell me say you can't find woman a foreign, you go take up girl where you have to go mine. And 1% thing. So there and then, you know say the mother not approve. The daddy they are foreign, the daddy don't give a flying rat's ass about nothing. The daddy no care. That not nothing to do with the daddy. You're a big man, the daddy just want to see you find a woman and you're no fish. You find a woman and you plan to get married to have your kids them or something. That's all. People, the boy never take no saying from the mother cause a big man. And first of all, him not really grow with the mother like that. You understand? Him grow with the mother till him father file for him. So most of the time when him spend with him daddy in America. So anyway, the youth continue to push on with everything we him do. Him go, him mother come at the little wedding, them just go to the little private wedding and thing. Them have them little witness there. Him mother come, one of them half sister come and them sitting there. The girl mother come and so on and so forth. But throughout the entire thing, the mother never please. You know, see after them get married and the youth go back. The youth say, I'm going to start putting when I put in paperwork and sitting. All of a sudden now, the mother start pushing herself on the girl now. All of her dinner, she will come over, come eat and this and that, because we have family now, you're married to my son, and Ray. Just a really pushy kind of likings. Because sometimes you have to be careful too, you know. Even when I step this and step that, just that kind of pushy type of energy there, you have to be careful out of the nowhere. The mother start pushing upon the girl. Start treat the girl extra nice and this and that. Bacon can go give the girl and something. People. One day the girl did it after she come in from work. One evening. And the mother said she makes soup. And ask her if she want it. This is not the first time the mother give her food to eat now, you know. This is not the first time, you know. The mother says she makes soup and if she want it and them thing there. And it's one of the first time the girl take you know, your mother-in-law, you're married to him son now. Him son they are foreign, a file for you and thing. Girl take you and something. Girl have her soup and everything. The girl got work the next day. Alright. Come back from work. You see the night, a piece of cold sweat start to wash the girl. The girl feels sick. The girl mother have to rush with her to hospital. Them rush with her to hospital. Them say she dehydrated, she this, she that, and Ray. Put her on drip, blah, or something. The girl out of work for about a week. She start feel a little better. She said she can't go back to work. The girl go back to work for 2 days. When the girl go back to work for 2 days, he come back down pan her again. And from that, the girl in and out, sick here, sick there, till the boy start worry and the boy start worry. It turn out now that all of a sudden, it's like them want to say the girl have kidney problem. The girl foot swell up. The girl belly swell up. The girl feel away, the girl get weak. The girl start drop down when she in the yard, start get fatigue and drop down and beating. Everybody start wonder where all of a sudden, they don't know this a girl has no sicky girl. She never have no kidney problem, she never have no this, she never have no that from before. Ever since she married. And the mother start treat her nice. That the mother-in-law, the boy mother. Things start go south with the girl. People even know say one at the time the girl have to stop work. Because so she got work and so she sick. She had to drop down her work and be a thing. And the boy, the upper foreign now a worry. And but you know everybody know when you have file for somebody, you can't force the filing. You have to just wait. So the boy just did a prayer and a hope. You see me, the boy come a Jamaica now. And when the boy come a Jamaica, the way the boy see him wife. Can't believe say him wife that him wife will get darker. The wife actual appearance color get dark when him look on him wife and him wife weak. Them can't go nowhere, them can't do nothing because the girl weak. The most the girl can do is sit up on them thing there and probably walk a little bit out of the veranda back to him room. The girl weak. The girl look swell. Him face swell up, him belly swell up, him foot them swell up. Be a cry, the youth cry. You see me? And the mother dear to comfort the youth and be a thing and this and that. Mother all tell him say, maybe she will have underlying illness and you don't know. That's why you have to really check family before you just jump and married. Cause look them now and this and that. So if you know did have kids, this are the mother now, you know. So if you know did have kids now, probably that's why the child could have come sick and beating the youth break down. The youth do him time and go back up. And people, the girls get sicker and sicker and sicker and worse. The girl just look like she has swell. People, the little quiet Christian girl, young beautiful girl, they are hotel at work until they meet this youth here. People, the little girl pass away. The sickness will come down upon the little girl all of a sudden she see married to this boy here. Out of nowhere. Take the little girl life. The little girl stay there and get sick every minute. Before paperwork file and I wait the girl I wait for everything come true and the boy I wait for everything come true. And the girl stay there sicky till them say come like a kidney this that doctor tell them all different kind of complaint. Girl get black in her bed, swell up until the girl just pass away gracefully. The son was heartbroken. The girl funeral there be a morning. The youth meds mash up in world, mash up. Cause remember see a settle a man a pray if you go settle down and no one easy down in one relationship and you know. The youth Evans mash up. And his mother did it with him. Comfort him. And everything. The girl mother, Janu. The girl mother said it look like a crisis come down upon him daughter. Because things are going to go good for him and them start think all kind of sitting. People, it so happen that about a year and a half run off. About a year and a half run off after the girl pass away. The boy mother and one of our best friend go kick off. Cockaford. The boy mother and one of our best friend go kick off. And I don't know some place already when community argument are go on, people don't put them out and go and talk. And the friend start chant everything. And tell her how she wicked and kill off the people them picnic to her son did want marry her. You're wicked. And you offer the picnic food and put things in the picnic food and from that the picnic events mash up. The boy mother mash up the little girl because he never did want him son to be married to the girl. The boy mother mash up the little girl because he never want to see another girl in the community if he know say his son married her and take her gone and find him that when rid of somebody else. He mash up the little girl. Everybody thinks he just sudden sickness or something or probably somebody else put hand pan her or something. And the boy own mother, him never did approve of him son come down come marry the regular girl from in the community. The mother, all of the niceness when she wanna push up on the girl when the girl and the son married. And I offer the girl this and I offer the girl that. The woman mash up the people them pitney. Just because he never did want him son married to that girl. And he couldn't tell him son nothing. So because his son doing now and him son gone and a file and a wait, the mother mash up the people them little pitney. And if him and this best friend and they fall out and him best friend lay it down, whole community a hear how him wicked and when him do. And when go fi go get this and fi go get that. And the bad remarks them when pass about the girl when him find out say from the time when the son did go hotel go stay with the girl. Innocent little pitney. And she won't choose. Fi tell the son say, fi come married or I do this or I do that. Them start chat and them bring up a little spark and them fall to one another and one thing lead to a next and one thing lead to a next till the boy say this a girl I want. As she me go marry and bring back to America and start a family with. The mother never want it. The mother kill off the people them little pitney. Just because them want decide who them son they with from who them son don't they with. That's why I tell you say sometime you see enough mother-in-law and father-in-law, you see something happen to people with they with certain people pitney and them own mother-in-law or father-in-law do it to them. Because them know them can't really tell them son or them daughter who fit they with. So the next best thing them can do, you were the son-in-law or the daughter-in-law, be careful and not every mother-in-law or father-in-law want you in a them family. Remember when me tell you that. This is a true example of a mother who did want choose for her son and couldn't do it, so she do the next best thing. She removed the person who her son choose. That's why me tell you no say, you see wickedness sometime, it can't done. Because what could this little girl, what you are going to gain from this now? What this little girl here, we did it all along a go to church and do her thing and do her little job. And your son come along and find her. The most your son going to do is take her go foreign. And he won't make your son happy if anything. And give your grand pitney. No, you don't want to choose for no pitney. And tell them which family and which family them nothing go in. And for doing that, you take the little pitney life. Regular them thing ya happen. You see how some young little girl mash up. You wonder what happened to them. Sometimes the family with them going and the family don't want them in I. Remember when me tell you that. And a year and a half after. People, up to today now I'm giving you this story. From that boy here, from that son here, what happened? He cut off the mama and done with her. When I get this story up to today, that boy never did back with his mama. Because she's nothing but the devil. Remember when me tell you that. So people, careful. Some family will not go in. And don't always think say your mother-in-law or your father-in-law really and truly like you. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.